very happy new year to you all. I am Tari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips that are really helping me look and plan for 2024. Hope they help you as well. The other day, I was listening to a podcast that talked about how important it is to pause, stop, and see where you're at. Because if we don't know where we're at, we don't really know where we're going. We'll just keep going around in circles. And we certainly don't want to do that in 2024. So here are my top 3 tips that have really helped me to be crystal clear about how I want my 2024 to look like. It's time to celebrate how far we've come and to see where we're going this year. Who else is excited? I am so excited for 2024 and I hope you join me on this journey to glow up, both internally and externally. Welcome to my channel, guys. I love you all. Here are my personal top 3 lessons from 2023. The first one is everything happens for our own good. Yes, I know it sounds cliche. I thought so too. But really, when I'm reflecting back on 2023, I've just realized no matter what happened in my life, good or bad, it's all going to be okay in the end. And life is just teaching us lessons. I've been on a healing journey for the last 10 years or so. And believe me, guys, some days it really felt I was taking 1 step forward and 10 backwards. I felt so alone, disappointed, hurt, drained out, tired. You name any negative feeling and I was feeling it. But I knew deep inside my heart that no matter how hard it seems at this point, life is only working in my favor. The universe is only guiding me towards a better life, towards a better version of me. And yes, I might have had to learn some hard lessons, but ultimately they were for my growth, both spiritual and emotional. Anytime I put myself first, I knew I was healing myself, listening to my emotions, journaling, working out, going for long walks, listening to my body and my mind really did help me grow and conquer a lot in the last year. So it's time to really celebrate that. So I guess my first lesson is all is always well. Just accept what life gives you. Second lesson that the last year taught me was shadow work is non-negotiable. There is a side to all of us that we have suppressed over the years due to society, due to our parents, or due to our inner beliefs. That side sometimes makes us act in ways that maybe we don't like. But it is so important not to suppress those feelings, just to look into the shadow and bring that out of yourself. Because only when we are able to integrate those suppressed dark parts of ourselves do we become whole. Life is just a journey, a beautiful journey to becoming whole, to accepting ourselves just as we are, the good, bad, and ugly. So I did a lot of shadow work in 2023 and I used various resources which I'm quite happy to share as the year goes on. But I've realized it is absolutely non-negotiable to do shadow work if we want to grow and heal ourselves. I used to feel just disappointed in myself, just that really negative feeling in the pit of my stomach. But over the years, I've learned to recognize that's my shadow that I'm suppressing. The minute I feel it, and I still feel it, it's not that I don't feel it anymore. The minute I feel it, I pick up my journal or I just do a voice note to myself and just lay out my feelings. And it's just that they're wanting to be heard. Our shadows only want us to see them. Our voices only want us to be heard. And that's it. Slowly, as you really love yourself quite deeply, it will heal you like nothing and never before. I just feel so whole and complete in myself that, of course, I do appreciate other people's company, but I am really in love with life. I am so grateful for every living moment and all the experiences that life is giving me. So to be complete, please look at the dark parts of yourself. They're just there to be seen. Love them. Love your little self. Brings me really nicely to the third lesson that 2023 taught me. It is so important to appreciate the little moments, to really romanticize our lives and be grateful for every tiny thing, whether it's the sun on my skin or these beautiful flowers near me or just talking to you guys. Anything and everything in life is just such a blessing. And when we get to see those and appreciate those little things every day, life just gives us more. I know it sounds a lot of woo woo, and maybe I didn't believe it at maybe 10 years ago if you ask me. But really, right now, where I am in my life, I love my life. I love everything about it, the good and the bad. And I really romanticize every little thing that I do, especially the things that maybe I don't like to do too much, like folding the laundry or I don't know, maybe folding the laundry. But just romanticizing every little thing that you do, making your space beautiful, warm, and inviting. It's just so nice. And just appreciate, appreciate, appreciate. We all are in a big rush to get to the next level, whether it's the next job, the next house, the next relationship, and it's really good to aim for all those. But I think in this, sometimes we forget to stop, to pause, and really appreciate the everyday moments. I may not get a full day to spend time with my son and my puppy, but I do find snippets of time, and I'm really grateful for those times. Just make the best of what you do have right now, and I promise life will just give you more. I may not have the success or the body I want or the financial goals that I want, but I still am. I'm still surviving, I'm still living, I still have a roof over my head and food to eat. Once I realize how a lot of people actually don't get that. People don't wake up the next day. So just being here on this planet is just a blessing anyway. So it's really important to celebrate every little thing. And I hope you remember that. Okay, this one, can you please remind me? Because I tend to forget this. Perfection does not exist. Note to self, Tari, perfection does not exist. I've wasted a lot of time procrastinating because I am that person that strives for perfection. If it's not perfect, I just don't do it till it is perfect. And that's such a bad habit. But in 2024, I really want to put that aside and remember and tell myself that perfection does not exist. It's okay to falter. It's okay that my maybe videos aren't perfect or my gym wasn't perfect. The main thing is that I'm showing up. I'm showing up in front of the camera. I'm showing up at my gym. I'm showing up in my kitchen. The small steps that I'm taking every day will definitely achieve some better outcomes. And the other thing I think I need to remember here is because I do beat myself up a lot and then I get into an emotional roller coaster and then I just stuff it off all together, is to really not miss anything twice. The year has just started and I have some big goals. I am happy to share my vision board with you guys. I just have some very big goals this year and I really want to focus on them and achieve them through developing systems. So my main lesson that I did learn in 2023 was never to miss anything twice. I am not going to miss a workout twice in a row. I'm not going to miss posting on YouTube twice in a row. Whatever my schedule is, I'm going to stick to it and not miss twice. Of course, life will happen and maybe I can't achieve perfection again, but just to remind myself to move my body, to shoot a shot or something, and to just show up on the camera, to do what I can, and ultimately just leave it to life and leave it to all of you. So yes, that's the lessons that 2023 taught me, and I would really encourage you and invite you to spend some time with yourself this weekend. See what the last year taught you and really integrate that into this coming year and go on another journey to love yourself, to heal yourself, and to become a better version of you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. As I glow up, I want all of us to glow up together. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Love you all. Bye.